What's up, my Big Mack Snack-Wraps? It's your boy, the Miggity Mac, and welcome to another show. On today's show, we are doing day 3 of the Dog Cage Challenge by the MUKBANG Bulls. Who are the MUKBANG Bulls? It's myself, ULOVE CHANI, LLIPS, and Sam's World. This is day 3. Basically, it's the Dog Cage Challenge. What is the Dog Cage? These buns. These hot dog buns is the dog cage. Just like dogs be trapped in a cage, you have to trap whatever your entree is inside of these buns. Today we have Sloppy Joes, and I made it a little cheesy. I don't have a cheese pool, but these are cheesy Sloppy Joes. Right here I got extra cheese. I have my pickles. I got some tater tots, and right here I got my coldest water bottle filled with some H2O. Gotta stay hydrated. It's hot out here. And water is always good for you. So if you want this bottle or another bottle, they got bigger sizes, different colors, go to the Coldest Water Bottle, link down in the description box below. Put in Big Mac code name for 10% off. With that being said, we're gonna say a prayer, y'all, and we're gonna get into this. Amen. And as y'all can see, I kind of played with the height of the table. I took away my platform and just raised the table up. Hopefully this is good. Y'all let me know in the comments below. I'm still working out the angles, but hopefully y'all can see more of my upper body, because sometimes I'll be cut off like right there. So yeah. We about to get into this. I knew I was gonna end it like this, and I've been waiting. Y'all know I love Sloppy Joes. And this is fresh off the stove. Ain't playing no games. Not today. Well, I didn't play no games yesterday either, but we ain't gonna talk about that. Yesterday was a short video because I put my foot in it. Them dogs didn't stand a chance yesterday. Boom. Can y'all see that? Hopefully y'all can. And it's about to go down. Let me get it from this side. We ain't gonna play no games. Y'all see, y'all gonna y'all go ahead and make y'all some of this. Pinkies up. We're gonna swirl a little bit, y'all, and then we're gonna sip a little bit. Alright, and y'all know I had to do the sloppy tots. You do it just like you do chili cheese. Yes, indeed. Mm. Mm. When y'all finish this video, if y'all haven't already, because my videos are late, if y'all haven't already, go over to Sam's World, ULOVE CHANI, and LLIPS channel. See what they did for day 3. I seen their videos already for day 3. They did it. They did it. Mm. All week, everybody been coming with their A game. Why do I always choose to wear white on videos that might get sloppy? I don't know why it always work out that way. I don't be thinking. Gotta have the pickles. And by the way, these are, I guess you would say, vegetarian sloppy joes. I might use TVP instead of meat. The man with sloppy joe sauce, peppers and onions, and then the cheese is just regular cheese. Y'all see that? So you guys, we're also at 10K. We're at 10K. Y'all probably hear my niece in the background laughing. She's doing playing a game with her friends online. But we at 10K, y'all. We made it to 10K. Thank y'all so much. This is like a moment for me because my first goal was 100. And my first goal was just one follower, one snack wrap, one subscriber, snack wrap. I call you guys snack wraps. One snack wrap, then 10, then 100, then 1,000. And once I hit 1,000, I knew 10K was the next one, and it was gonna be a little harder. But I was looking forward to the journey, and I have looked forward to this journey. I've enjoyed it. But I do have to shout some people out who helped me along the way. So the first person to shout me out was RDR Food Reviews. And everybody that I mentioned, if you guys haven't followed them, please go follow them, because without them helping me along the way, you guys may or may not even know of my channel. And I didn't get here by myself. I had some help along the way. So RDR Food Reviews, he was the first one to shout me out early on, like maybe within 2 weeks of my channel being up. So I thank him. And then right after that, Flavors by Dame Dash, he mentioned me. It was a Subway video I did, and he shouted me out. As well as Black Hoodie. Black Hoodie also shouted me out. So those three really set me in the right direction and brought attention to my channel early on. Then I met a young lady named Nadira who really, she helped me, get out there. She was a huge help. Y'all go follow her. Please go follow her. She had a channel, but she had to delete that channel and start all over. So if you guys can, please, I'm gonna leave her link in the description box below, especially. If you guys can go just show her some snack wrap love, because I know for a fact without her, I probably wouldn't be sitting here right now with y'all. So y'all please go show her some love and help her get to her 4,000 watch hours and her 1,000 subscribers. I know y'all can do it. If y'all help me with 10, I know y'all can help her and get her to where she need to be, because she deserves it. And she has a very unique channel. She does mukbangs, but she also kind of infuses it with ASMR at the same time, you know, with different sounds and stuff. So y'all make sure y'all go check her out. Her link will be in the description box below. So thank you, Nadira. And then, as y'all know, along the way, I came in contact with 4 very special people. 4 very special people. The original Mukbang Bulls. We wasn't the Mukbang Bulls at the time. We were just some YouTubers. And one day I'm at home and I get a message from Sam's World saying check my DM. And I'm like, okay. So it was her. I checked my DM and I got in touch with her and LLIPS on a 3-way call. And we talked about YouTube and how they came across my channel and how they see me. And we all were kind of like around the same. I think I started in November. I think Sam started in December or January 2018. And LLIPS, I think, started in March of 2019. And this was maybe June or July of 2019. And we just got on the phone and we clicked. And we was like, okay, so we just gonna, we gonna help each other out. At that time, I don't think anybody had. LLIPS may have been monetized. Him and Sam may have just got monetized. I wasn't monetized. Shawnee wasn't monetized. And Lil Gilmore Eats, I don't think he was monetized at the time. But we built this Mukbang Bulls thing. And they really helped me from that moment of me talking to them and meeting them. That really put the battery pack in my back. That really got the eyes on me. And I was able to hit my 4,000 watch hours, my 1,000 snack wraps, and all of that very quickly. I think within that month, I was monetized, which was a big, as a new YouTuber, that's one of the first big steps. Because you want to hit that goal within that first year, or I think you might have to start over as far as trying to get monetized. So that happened. We was on the roll, and we still on the roll. Y'all watching the Mukbang Bulls collab right now. So shout out to LLIPS, Sam's World, ULOVE CHANI, and Lil Gilmore Eats. The original Mukbang Bulls. It's all love. And I will forever love those 4. And then, of course, B-Love shouted me out quite a few times, I say. She shouted me out, and that's why I say, she don't have to shout people out, because it's very hard, especially, I know how hard it is to answer every comment now, and I'm only at 10K now, Imagine if you had 1 million, 2 million. It's hard to see everybody's video and all that. But she do shout people out. She does do people challenges. If you do something with her sauce or something that she's put out there, she is going to repost your video. And that helps tremendously. So thank you, B-Love, for just taking the time out to even repost. My hand's shaking like I'm getting nervous, like I can't believe I'm at 10K. Thank y'all. Thank y'all, man. Another person that inspired me to do it is a young lady by the name of J. Let's Eat. Because I had seen her video, and she had started, but then she stopped, and when she started again, I think she wasn't monetized either. So I said to myself, if I could start my channel now and kind of see if I could stay on the level with her, like kind of gauge myself. You don't have to do that, but that's, you know, she motivated me to, you know, keep going. As I seen her, you know, put out videos and grow, I was like, okay, so if I put in that type of work, I can grow the same way. So shout out to Jay Let's Eat. She hasn't made a video in a while, but I hope she comes back. Comes back to the YouTube game. She just celebrated an anniversary. So happy anniversary. And just all 10,000 plus now of you snack wraps. I thank y'all. Because I used to think it was fake. Like it couldn't happen for me. But something just kept telling me to keep going. Keep going. And it happened exactly 23 months to the day I started my channel. I hit 10K on October 7th. Next month on the 7th will be my 2-year anniversary. So it happened 23 months before. It took me 23 months. But I've enjoyed the journey. So let's keep going, snack wraps. And if you made it this far, leave like a hot dog emoji, so I know you made it this far. I'm gonna eat all this. I'm gonna continue to eat. So this video might be a little long or short. So next is 20K, 50K, 100K, quarter mil, half a mil, 3/4 of a mil, a million. You know. And I even thank y'all during the times when I be on hiatus and I don't be uploading. Y'all still be coming, showing love. And then when I do upload again, y'all don't miss a beat. Y'all be right back in action. And that doesn't go unnoticed. I thank y'all. And y'all look out for a live, because I'm going to try to do a live either tonight or tomorrow. So we can celebrate. I might even put out an adult beverage. Who knows? But we got to celebrate. $10K. Now please make sure to go get a Coldest water bottle. I think this one is like $24.99 or $19.99, something like that. It's the real deal. This was a good 3-day event with the Mukbang Bulls. Y'all make sure y'all go check out ULOVE CHANI, LLIPS, and Sam's World after this. Their videos, links will be in the description box below. But following this, I'm going back on my detox tea. Going on back to my detox. We're gonna be eating a little lighter this upcoming week. But I enjoyed this. I don't regret this. So yeah. But next week will be a little lighter. But y'all just tune in anyway. Alright, you guys. So, shout out to all my day ones, all my new Snack-Wraps, and everyone in between. All 10,000 of y'all. I thank y'all. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm proud of us. I'm proud of us. This is a victory for us. For you and I. And also have some ideas I want to share with y'all next week. I'm going to run by y'all. So, y'all stay tuned. Until we eat again, my little Snack-Wraps. Peace.